Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we will discuss how to perform long division. So there are some steps we follow every time we use long division. Number 1, divide. Number 2, multiply. Number 3, subtract. Number 4, bring down the next number. Number 5, repeat until we are out of numbers. Okay, there are a couple of examples here. The first one is 895 divided by 5. So 895 is being divided. So we put that number into the long division symbol, and we're dividing by 5. So we put the 5 outside. That's the number we're dividing by. Okay, so we look first at the 8, and we look at how many groups of 5 can go into the number 8. And there's one group of 5 in the number 8. So we divide it. 8 has one group of 5 in it. Now we'll multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. Now we'll subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. Step 4, bring down the next number. In this case, it's a 9. Okay, how many groups of 5 are in the number 39? There are 7 groups of 5 and 39. 7. So 7, now we multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. And subtract. 39 minus 35 is 4. And then bring down the next number. In this case, it's a 5. How many groups of 5 we're going to divide again? How many groups of 5 are in 45? 9 groups of 5. So every time we're doing that first step, which is dividing, we are putting an answer on the answer line at the top of this division symbol. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. And we subtract. We have 0 remainder. That means that 5 goes exactly 179 times into 895, or 895 divided by 5 is 179. No remainder. It's a whole number. Next example, we have 182 divided by 3. So we are dividing 182. It goes into the long division symbol. We're dividing by 3, so 3 goes on the outside of the long division symbol. Let's look at the first number, 1. There are no groups of 3 in the number 1. We don't have to put a 0 there. We're just going to move on now to look at the 18. There are 6 groups of 3 in 18. So we put the 6 above the 8. 6 times 3 is 18. We will subtract. 18 minus 18 is 0. Now we bring down the 2. There are no groups of 3 in the number 2. So we're going to put a 0 here. 0 times 3 is 0. Subtract. We have a remainder of 2. But that is 2. That 2 is being divided by 3. So we write it as 2/3. The remainder is 2, but that 2 is being divided by 3. Everything's being divided by 3 in this problem. So it is 60 2/3. 60 2/3. Okay, a couple of examples of long division. So the steps are: number 1, divide. Number 2, multiply. Number 3, subtract. Number 4, bring down the next number. Number 5, repeat until you're out of numbers. And every time you divide, put an answer on the answer line, which is the top of the long division symbol. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.